Thank you, Mark. I haven't timed this speech, but if I'm up here after 15 minutes, you can come and get me. It's been a great day, great speakers, and I've jotted down a few words from across the sessions I just think signify the day. Positivity, diversity, purpose, collaboration, inspirational leadership. And I'm sure you'll agree that that leads seamlessly on to having a middle-aged male banker close out today's conference. No pressure. After a fascinating day of discussion, insights and learning, it is indeed my pleasure to help close out the Manufacturing Talent Rules Conference. I can't think of a more apt location than the Titanic Belfast to have an event like this. With the Harland and Wolff cranes in the background and the Catalyst Science Park nearby, we are surrounded by the history of the talent that helped create our manufacturing sector on the one hand, and the future talent like Ben and Emma, who we heard from at the start, shaping new ideas on the other. All sectors, including manufacturing, have had their challenges, and as a consequence, confidence can ebb and flow. At First Trust Bank, we have chosen to invest in the manufacturing sector over the longer term. We are proud of the impact we are having on customers and into the wider Northern Ireland marketplace. We are eager to keep up the momentum and the appetite for growth that exists, particularly in manufacturing. After the fantastic talks and workshops, I don't need to tell you how critical manufacturing is to Northern Ireland's economic fortunes. But it's sometimes useful to be reminded of the facts. Responsible for 1 in 4 jobs and 9.9 billion GVA, around 1/3 of the economy, it is a standout industry and one that is vital to our future economic prospects. For many, the manufacturing sector is at something of a crossroads. The fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, is changing the playing field as businesses begin to rely on the Internet of Things and connected devices as much as people. People and talent, though, still remains a key foundation stone for the manufacturing industry. Claire made a very important observation earlier. Can Northern Ireland afford to continue to export 37% of its graduates to GB, 2/3 of which never return? Having access to talent remains vital to take advantage of the opportunities in the sector. It's a task we at the bank have taken to heart as well. Recently, 8 of our business centre, acquisitions and corporate staff completed the manufacturing awareness programme delivered by the University of Warwick. We also do, Clare, Queen's University courses as well. This first-class training programme combined in-class learning on topics such as supply chain management and manufacturing finance, with on-site visits to market-leading, innovative manufacturers. This enhanced our industry understanding as enabling our team to add value to the service we provide to customers. One of my colleagues who took part in the training said that for her, the programme elevated her understanding of the challenges faced by our manufacturing customers and gave her newfound admiration for the level of innovation involved in the sector. It's clear from our dealings with customers that 2 key investment strands underpin their future vision: a commitment to innovation and investing in talent. It is a focus that we at the bank are keen to emulate and promote. Our support of progressive manufacturing includes backing for investment in plant, processes, technology and training. With weaker sterling, importing and input costs become more expensive. It can also affect migrant labour. This all adds impetus to the local businesses to invest in new technology and processes, to innovate and automate. Access to finance with a banking partner that understands your challenges can be vital for manufacturers who are and want to modernise their operations to be more competitive. As well as currency fluctuations and technology trends, we are all keeping a close watch on what potential new trade deals could, could, fall out of Brexit. A key cog for our manufacturing sector, in Brexit or not, is the ability to grow outwards into new markets in Europe and further afield. According to our research, however, uncertainty around Brexit is putting expansion and investment plans on hold. I have no doubt that the absence of a political leadership and a functioning Northern Ireland Assembly is not helping confidence. Where there are challenges, however, there is also opportunity. Our purpose is to back customers to achieve their dreams and ambitions. We adopt a partnership approach with our customers and commit to getting to know your strategy, values, and longer-term objectives. It's an approach that has stood us in good stead, and we have a proud history of delivering funding solutions that support manufacturers who are seeking to refinance, invest for expansion, or make acquisitions. This partnership approach also means we can provide a structure that gives you the liquidity to grow and adapt to future market changes. But what does adapting a collaborative, purpose-driven approach mean for a bank? That's best described by taking a recent funding project that we worked on for one of our customers, Northway Mushrooms. Based in County Armagh, Northway represents 28 independent growers. In 2017, they embarked on a £25 million project to build a state-of-the-art compost facility. Now, at this point, this is where I could start to tell the engineers in the room the technical difference between Phase 3 versus Phase 2 mushroom compost. But I'm not going to do that. First Trust Bank worked in conjunction with a mezzanine debt provider to provide the project. We worked closely with the Northway management team to understand their strategy and, more importantly, the transformational impact it would deliver for their businesses, their growers, and their customers. Together, we considered the risks and how to mitigate against them. This included procuring the relevant suite of advisors to complement and support the customer. Collaboration can help deliver and drive positive change. Northway worked across numerous sector stakeholders and technical experts, pulling their collective knowledge and resources. This manufacturing complex, which became operational this month, is one of the most advanced composting facilities in the UK. Remember, to innovate, you've got to collaborate. Ladies and gentlemen, at First Trust Bank, we remain committed to working with you to maximise your opportunities. We would be only too pleased at any stage to speak to you about what we can do to help support your dreams and ambitions. We're growing as a bank, and we're confident that if we remain focused on and deliver for our customers, we will continue to do just that. Thank you for all coming, and we hope you have had an enjoyable and insightful day. Thank you.